Hey guys, Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior. Don't mind me, I'm just watching along with you here. I'm watching this video as I'm taxiing back for another takeoff. I wasn't going to put myself in this video, but the reason why I am is because I have to call myself out. I have to call myself out for Aviate, Navigate, Communicate. Those are the shirts that the certified flight instructors wear at Learn to Fly, and I wasn't doing one of them really well on this particular closed traffic circuit. So I wasn't doing the navigation part as well as I should. So I'm just calling myself out.
Fly 9 Foxtrot, bring it in time. If you want, you can delay for the prop launch. If not, launch your prop launch. Of course, you departed North Hill.
5 9 Foxtrot, can we stop right here on the runway?
It's up to you, but that is approved.
Alright, 5 9 Foxtrot, I'm going to pull off on Whiskey and then I'll circle back to full length, please.
Number 725 Foxtrot, Brainard, tower approved. Runway 2, taxi via Whiskey Alpha, cross runway 29.
Whiskey Alpha 29 for 5 9 Foxtrot, try it again.
Now, when I was a student pilot, I made sure that my downwinds and my traffic pattern was perfectly a nice rectangle. What you're going to see me do here is I got really lazy. And I was maintaining the runway heading, but what was happening was the wind was pushing me into the final approach leg of the traffic pattern. So the downwind kind of turned into a base wind. So I think I just invented a new traffic leg there. That's being lazy. I was on a base.
5 9 Foxtrot, making right traffic.
Good job, 449, Brain Talk. Traffic is a Cherokee departing, runway 2, clear for the option.
Runway 2 clear for the option, crew check 449.
Alright, let's do this, full power. Wind's out of the right hand side. Alright, trim it down for 79, we're at a hundo. Runway heading, 2 hundo. $79, 4 hundo.
Brainard Tower, crew check 578, hold short of runway 245 early.
Crew check 578, Brainard Tower, hold short runway 2, landing traffic.
Hold short runway 2, crew check 558.
6 hundo, making the right. Up, we're making the right at 750. Right crosswind. That ball centered. There's the runway behind us. Still climbing, we're at 900. Climbing right into the downwind. Nose down. Okay. 21 hundo.
Number 729 Foxtrot, Brainard Tower, you copy, extended downwind up your base for departure.
Cherokee 7259 Foxtrot's on the downwind. You'll call my base. Copy that.
Thank you.
Alright, he'll call my base, we're at 1,000. Maintain this, we're at 2100. Extend my downwind. Oh, we got a little fire over there. Extending the downwind. 20.
Yeah, look, that you're on 20, all right. Yeah, and you're way off course. You should be a lot more to the left. Next time I gotta get out and I gotta clean that windshield. Too much bug smashing going on. Do you guys have that in the Microsoft Flight Simulator? Can you guys put dirty windshield add-on for added realism? That'd be kind of cool.
November 7259 Foxtrot, Brainerd Tower, you can turn your base.
Turning base for 59 Foxtrot.
Alright. 1 notch of flaps is in. The RPM up a little bit because I'm a little further.
59 Foxtrot, Brainerd Tower. And what's your landing intention this time? Another full stop taxi back?
Full stop taxi back. Actually, full stop to Jet Center for 59 Foxtrot.
November 7259 Foxtrot, runway 2, clear to it.
Clear to land runway 259 Foxtrot.
Alright. Airspeed's at 70. We're going to go right to the final here. I knew I was going to do that. We're at 900. We'll get this squared up again here. Very tight there.
Current check 578 Brainerd Tower. Appreciate your patience. When you're in contact Bradley departure, have a nice flight. Contact Bradley departure.
800. Took it the scenic way. Alright, 1500. Let's get this plane happy.
030 at 8.
Brainerd Tower, 75412, approximately 10 nautical miles south west, requesting responsible southwest 9
November 5416 Bravo, Brainerd Tower. Are you familiar with the Hartford area?
Slightly up at Jerky time.
5416 Bravo, roger. Just continue heading north and eastbound, and you should see 91. There's a roadway next to you. The next one's going to be 91. Head towards that, and then follow that inbound report 5 miles, please.
Alright, I'll look for 91 and I'll report at 5 miles. Follow.
Brainerd Tower, 2 check 449 down midfield, runway 2. Request the option.
Current check 449 Brainerd Tower, runway 2, clear for the option.
2 check 449 runway 2 for the option.
Delta to Delta for Jet Center for 59 Foxtrot.
Thank you. Appreciate your patience in the paddock while I was getting that clearance.
It was a fun morning there, Tower. Thank you for the help.
You're welcome, sir.
Alright, Delta. Electric fuel pumps off, landing lights off, make sure it's lean for ground ops. Flaps at the arrow. Delta to Delta.